These would be the 5 major parameters, all of equal importance.
So guys, the topic for the discussion today will be skills or degree. Is degree just a myth?
But if the same thing happens in the actual GD, how would you manage? So just don't try to, craft the statement in an absolutely proper way. डायरेक्शन दिया ग्रुप को, राइट? तो एक नया पॉइंट लेकर आई, डायरेक्शन दिया और 2 बार बोला आपने, पर दोनों बार इट वाज एब्सोल्युटली कंट्रोल्ड. एंड if you introduce the idea, if you're able to describe it a bit more,
and to just assume that small business do not require degree. Even if you talk about MSMEs, we cannot surely say that they do not have degrees. From what I have experienced, even MSMEs or even retail shop owners these days do actually have degrees. Whether they're relevant or not, that's a different point.
Could you elaborate which type of degrees?
Even
example of one company out of like
and one more thing,
of
even if
have you
that
seen its efficient?
these would be the 5 major parameters, all of equal importance.
So guys, the topic for the discussion today will be skills or degree. Is degree just a myth? All right, everyone, your time starts now.
So may I start? So in my opinion, skills are really important, but I think that degree from a reputed institute is also very important because many of the global companies require a formal degree. So in order to employ the candidate, so I believe that a degree is equally important as a skill.
I like to say something. 2 decades back, then degree was the foremost criteria for defining whether a candidate or a person is eligible for that particular role or not. But if we see in today's world, the degree is not the foremost criteria. Everyone have a suitable degree in every domain, but how will we differentiate one candidate from another? It will be a skill which will differentiate whether a candidate is better or not. So I think skill is also as much important as degree.
if I may add something, I think before we go in deep into discussion, we should first differentiate and define what a skill and a degree is. For me, a skill is basically a method or ease with which you perform an action, and degree is basically a structured program from which you can gain knowledge about a particular area, and there you can gain skills relevant to it. So for the topic that today's discussion, that is the degree is just a myth or not, I feel that degree is not a myth, but it is a way where you can gain skills which are relevant in the field of study and at the same time the real world.
But don't you think that while the degrees we are pursuing in, likewise I am a mechanical engineer, I am studying the syllabus that is 20 years backwards. Mechanical engineers, the field life application has evolved from papers to digitalization. But still, I am myself from an IIT, but we AutoCAD or like these subjects extensively, and we had to pursue them as a skill. So degree has not lived up to the mark to provide a skill or any profession. Means they have not adapted themselves. Colleges have not adapted themselves as per the industry demands. That's why I think that this topic itself is coming up. And to finish,
Wherever we see in this world, we'll always see that a demand supply gap exists, and wherever a demand and supply gap will exist, we'll always see that the suppliers, in this case the employers, will always look for certain proofs within candidates to screen the candidates. In this case, degree acts as a very significant proof, which brings my second point, that having a degree ensures that a person has had some sort of personality development. In this dynamic business landscape, we see that just being a specialist is no longer enough. We need to be a generalist. We need to be adaptable across different business functions. And I think degree is an exceptional way to sort persons who have just worked on a particular skill compared to persons who have actually developed their whole personality.
On the contrary, I would like to provide an example which basically prefers degree. For example, Masters Union, which was just founded like 5 years ago in 2020, they are showing practically that skills matter much more as compared to degree. Like for the example, the placements, the type of program they have, they focus on drop shipping businesses, like other activities which focus on building skills rather than just taking up the degree. So I think that is a practical example which shows skills somewhere or the other matter much more as compared to just a degree.
But I think you're forgetting the important fact that Masters Union is also providing a degree. They are building the skills, but they're also providing the degree, which ensures their employability, which makes sure that employers know they have certain proofs that they have actually worked upon these skills.
To add on that, I think that this degree is like a piece of paper, like a ticket entry. If you have a degree, you have ticket entry for a premier institution. Let's say someone has a degree. That indicates that the person has lived through a certain environment, certain peer group that makes him eligible for employment.
To say
Very
I would
rightly
like
said by
to-
Kural. I have also, I remember a quote said by Elon Musk, where he said that a degree is like a credibility of a person. It shows that he can complete a given coursework in a given amount of time. But coming from an engineering background, I have seen that technology changes every day. Few years back it was blockchain. Right now it's AI. And in few years there will be some other technology. And I think that degree or an education system cannot always keep up with those changing
I would
technologies.
con-
This is
Confident
very
is fine.
nuanced. I think the discussion of degree versus skills is very nuanced because it also depends on what particular field you're talking about. Say, for example, I would argue that there are certain fields which do not require a degree as much as others. So, let's say artistic fields such as drawing, painting, music, dance, they don't really need a degree as much as the actual skill. But I also think that to call degree a myth is a extreme statement because there are some fields which still very much need a degree. Say, for example, even professional courses. So there are CAs, even for that matter, engineering. There are a lot of technical knowledge which you will gain in the degree, and skills is further building upon that hands-on to apply that in the real world. So
That is
I
very
support your
true.
point,
Agree.
Aishwarya, but I want to add one more thing here, that in the environment in which we are currently working or learning, that particular environment also teaches us a lot of skills. And the same way, like as an engineer, you will learn basic skills like analysis and problem solving. In the same way, if you are working as a CA, you will learn how to gain skills in accounting and different particular fields of it. In the same way, I would again reiterate that the environment itself shows and develops skills, and degree is just the proof of what it is showing you at that moment. So that is why I don't think degree is a myth here.
No, I'll agree to her point because I myself work as a freelance photo editor for like past 5 years, where people barely ask for any degree or something. They just want to give me a sample or something so that I can provide them with good content only. So I'll not say degree is a myth because I'm myself is pursuing a degree, but I can say skill can overcome degrees. It is what
Yes,
it
I
is.
think we should
I
first-
think there are some limitations to the statement that skills can offset degrees. It's not always in all sorts of professions. For example, law and medical professions require you a degree. It is a question of a curriculum that a degree forces a student to go through, which helps him develop their skills. So if we are talking about the point that some degrees are outdated as per the skills, so it is the job of the curriculum to keep up with the with upskilling the students. So
That is a very good point. I think we should first of all classify, like certain skills are soft skills and certain skills are hard skills, right? Soft skills, I think they might not require a degree, or they can, like degree is just for credibility, but soft skill can be like you just have it, right? But hard skill can be evaluated. It can be like calculated on a piece of paper. So I think they require a degree.
And I agree with you, Advaita, because I don't think hardly anyone here will be going to a doctor who proclaims to be a doctor, but he doesn't have an MBBS degree. That's a very practical example, I think so.
I think Aishwarya made a very important point in this discussion that we need to consider if we're going forward. I think I believe we can all agree that if we're talking about areas where we require expression of art, let's say video editing, photo editing, or like she mentioned, painting, we can agree that skills matter more there. But when we talk about the masses, when we talk about employability, when we talk about research, or mostly any sort of areas where we actually require, which actually takes the economy forward, I think that is where we need to actually discuss is skills versus degree, because when we consider expressions of art, we can all agree that skills are the most important part of
To
it.
counter on that in argument, I think that you mentioned that major GDP drivers require degree, but to counter on that argument, I think major GDP drivers are small businesses and all the other small tier two businesses. So small businesses don't really have any, the people who run the shops, they don't have really any degree relevant to their working. So I think that their skill of their selling is what matters most.
I'll
to
already
me.
I-
When you
I
say
would
small
like-
businesses, do you mean MSMEs or do you mean retail shops?
I was meaning MSMEs, retail shops, including agricultural sector also, because it forms a large part of our GDP.
I would counter your point here because from my knowledge base, currently India is having 50% of the GDP contribution from the tertiary sector and agriculture has fallen to 18%. So I think the tertiary sector is gaining a lead here, and at the same time, these sectors require a degree, even though if it's a basic degree, like a diploma. Or
Actually, I
Adding
would
on to
like
his
to.
point, I think it would be a lot. It would take a lot of assumption to just assume that small business do not require degree. Even if you talk about MSMEs, we cannot surely say that they do not have degrees. From what I have experienced, even MSMEs or even retail shop owners these days do actually have degrees. Whether they're relevant or not, that's a different point.
Could you
I
elaborate
think,
which type of degrees?
I think the main point here is that when we are talking about degrees, probably one thing that we could consider is how do we gain skills while also gaining the degree. So, for example, many of the degrees nowadays they require an internship to be done for some time. They require articleship. They require some sort of experience in their semesters in their summer internships, right? So I think
But still the
banking on that,
internship-
The point I would like to add
that
here.
might help basically to gain a little
still the
bit of
credit for
skills.
internships and hands-on experience is very much less in colleges.
But
Actually, I would like to.
I've been a working professional for 2 to 3 years, so I would say degree would give you an initial boost at the start of your job or whatever you want to do. But continuing with the job, changing companies after that degree doesn't matter.
because you have gained a skill at that time, but initially you need a degree because that's a proof of your credibility. That is the main point here.
Exactly, I wanted to
I agree with that.
Exactly, I wanted to like to add on that. The degree, like for example, the reason we pursue degree are for those skills, and the degree is showing that we have those skills. Like it is not just plus or minus comes to zero. Like both of those things have to go hand in hand. We have a degree which shows us the skills. So
It's a
it isn't
relationship.
exactly. That's the point.
But don't you think that with the upcoming world, like there are many competitions like CodeChef, these platforms, like this coding platform, there are coding platforms and various type of platforms where you can show skills and people are directly hiring through that.
But the path
Verifying
is longer.
such
But the path
process,
is longer.
verifying such ratings are comparatively more expensive for the companies who are hiring. So degree, in a sense, provides a credibility.
But have you guys
of
heard
your skills.
about Telegram? Telegram hires through direct competition, direct open-ended competition.
Actually,
Again, that
that is
is
just an
even
example
if-
of one company out of like
And one
hundreds
more
of
thing,
companies
even
out
But
if
there.
have you
that-
seen its efficiency? Telegram has the best, means their staff is so small and they are able to manage such a large platform.
But
Like I told you,
that degree
it is just one example.
degree is not just educational. A degree shows a lot of things about a person. First of all, degree shows that he has the discipline to come to the classes and cover 4 years of his lecture, did the project work.
But do you need discipline in this era?
Yes, yeah, you need discipline.
Discipline is actually needed in every
Important.
era.
Do you actually need working 6 days a week or 5 days a week? Can't a brilliant person work for just 2 days a week and cover his all?
But not everybody is-
Then he's not a brilliant person actually, because doesn't matter the field. You have to work as much as hard you can.
No, I am saying
If you want to build something, like you said, if you want to build something, you have to work hard. So
Talent and hard work go together always.
exactly.
Haven't you heard about Elon Musk? He was working 7 days a week, but just for 2 days in one company. His work structure is divided between.
I think you're focusing a lot on exceptions and examples.
The bigger picture here is that at the end of the day, everybody wants a job, right?
Guys, you
And-
have 60 seconds to summarize.
and
I
Can I
like to summarize this discussion. In the end, I will say that degree is not a myth. It is a way which gives a person a credibility that he have that technical knowledge about their field. But skill is as much important as degree, since in today's world, skill like if we talk about an engineer person, if he have a skill related to marketing and financial also, then his career will show a boost more quicker as compared to his or her colleagues.
To
So-
conclude the whole discussion, I would like to use Ashwarya's and Khush's brilliant points that we need to divide the sectors that we're considering. I think we all agreed on the fact that when we're talking about expression of art, expression of our interests, skills are always more important. But when we talk about employability, when we talk about the masses, when we talk about the growth drivers of GDP, I think over there we can all agree that degree is not just a myth. Although it is important that skills go hand in hand, but degree is a very significant proof.
But if the same thing happens in the actual GD, how would you manage? You'll go with the...
to start initiating first because I'm not able to convert my initial thoughts into a better point. So I'm thinking it's
So just don't try to craft the statement in an absolutely proper way. Bring in some points. Otherwise, other students would take the opportunity, and despite having points, you will be late, right? So that's one only feedback that I can give it to you. You made the entry. Sorry, what's your name? Shubham. So you took the initiative, but the person who takes the initiative has to be slightly more detailed. जो खुश ने किया ना डेफिनेशन देने का पॉइंट दैट लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट्स अ स्किल व्हाट्स अ डिग्री, तो आप थोड़ा सा उसको इलैबोरेट कर सकते थे. जब आप बिगिन करते हो तो यू हैव टू गिव फ्लोट वन आइडिया, इंट्रोड्यूस द टॉपिक, फ्लोट द आइडिया सो दैट रेस्ट ऑफ द ग्रुप गेट्स द डायरेक्शन टू बिगिन द डिस्कशन. तो आपने इंट्रोड्यूस ही किया आइडिया को, यू कुड हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इट अ बिट मोर. अब जिसने बिगिन किया ऐसा नहीं है कि वो रेस्ट ऑफ द डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेगा. सो व्हाई डिडंट यू पार्टिसिपेट? आपको आइडिया की क्लैरिटी होगी तभी आपने इनिशिएटिव लेके बिगिन किया, बट आपका फिर कोई भी कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं आया. क्यों?
सारे पॉइंट्स वही आते हैं, कवर हो रहे थे.
तो बच्चे ये तो यू हैव टू फाइट इट हार्ड. दैट्स वेयर यू आर you'll get that eyeballs. अब आप कुछ बोलोगे नहीं तो पॉइंटर्स कैसे देंगे ना, तो कुछ भी पॉइंट नहीं मिलेगा अगर नहीं बोलोगे तो. गॉट दिस? देन खुश, आई रियली लाइक्ड योर आई कॉन्टैक्ट ऑल्सो. एक ग्रुप से रख रहे थे, ट्राई टू एक हैव अ बिगर ग्लांस, राइट? और आपने जो ये बोला कि आई सपोर्ट ऐश्वर्याज पॉइंट, आई रियली लाइक दैट अप्रोच, राइट? तो जो हमने सेगमेंट्स डिस्कस किए हैं वो तो आपको सर फीडबैक देंगे. इज मेड अ प्रॉपर टेबल, राइट? सो टेकी गाय. बट आई रियली लाइक्ड द स्टेटमेंट दैट आई सपोर्ट ऐश्वर्याज पर्सपेक्टिव. वो बाद में आपने भी, राहुल ने भी किया कि अच्छा खुश और ऐश्वर्या के पॉइंट्स को बिल्ड करते हुए. सो दैट शोज good listening skills and that shows that you are working in a team, you are backing each other up. So that was a good point, right? आपने MBBS डिग्री का पॉइंट आपने रेज किया था, इवन दैट वाज अ वेरी वैलिड पॉइंट. डेफिनेशन आई रियली लाइक्ड कि आपने ट्रैक पे लाने की कोशिश की. सेकेंड इटरेशन किसकी थी? कुणाल आपकी थी. आपके बाद सेकेंड जब शुभम ने टॉपिक इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, हरेंद्र ने किया था. तो हरेंद्र, एक तो आपका आई कांटेक्ट बहुत रिस्ट्रिक्टेड था, राइट? तो पहली एंट्री आपकी हुई, शुभम की, दूसरी हरेंद्र की हुई, पर अभी भी ग्रुप को कुछ कॉन्क्रीट मिला नहीं कि कहाँ डिस्कशन को लेके जाएं. फिर खुश आपने एंट्री करी एंड देन ही गेव द डेफिनेशन एंड देन वी फाउंड वन पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन. सो आई कांटेक्ट इनिशियली थोड़ा सा रिस्ट्रिक्टेड था, फिर और इम्प्रूव हुआ, बट देयर इज स्टिल स्कोप. बट यू वर इफेक्टिव, यू वर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग. 3 इटरेशन तो एटलीस्ट मिनिमम करिए. आपकी शायद 4 थी, बट मतलब ऐसा नहीं लगा कि फोर्सफुल इंटरवेंशन है. He was a part of the group, right? So he found that sweet spot and intervened. So that was a good point, very good. So ऐश्वर्या ने नया पॉइंट इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, तो जो फील्ड स्पेसिफिक था, डायरेक्शन दिया ग्रुप को, राइट? तो एक नया पॉइंट लेकर आई, डायरेक्शन दिया, और 2 बार बोला आपने, पर दोनों बार इट वॉज एब्सोल्यूटली कंट्रोल्ड. एंड इफ यू इंट्रोड्यूस द आइडिया, इफ यू आर एबल टू डिस्क्राइब इट अ बिट मोर, दैट एड्स वैल्यू. सो दैट ऐश्वर्या कुड डू. शी एडेड वैल्यू टू द ग्रुप. अब आप हर का कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन देखो. अगर आप शुभम थोड़ा सा और डिफाइन कर देते तो आपको और पॉइंट्स मिलते, राइट? तो वो जो आपको इनिशिएटिव के पॉइंट्स मिलने थे ना, वो उसको आप बिल्ड नहीं कर पाए. वो करेज का पॉइंट तो है आपके पास कि यू बिगैन द ग्रुप, वो ब्रेक द आइस वाला पॉइंट है, बट थोड़ा सा उसको डेवलप करना, ठीक है? वो हिम्मत दिखाई, वेरी गुड. तो खुश ने क्या किया? खुश ने इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, और ऐश्वर्या ने क्या किया? उसने एक नया POV दिया. सो वो क्रिएटिवनेस का पॉइंट, थिंकिंग आउट ऑफ द ब्लू तो नहीं था, बट एडिंग अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. सो कुडोज टू दैट. हरेंद्र, आपने भी आई कांटेक्ट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड रखा और फिर बाद में एक बार और बोला था, राइट? बट उसमें भी कोई न्यूनेस नहीं आई पॉइंट में, राइट? बट इट इज फाइन, बट यू कुड स्पीक मोर, राइट? तो क्रिस्प, बिल्कुल क्रिस्प एंट्री देंगे ना, तो जब तक जो पैनल में इवैल्यूएट करने की कोशिश करेगा, इतना समय तो दें, 3-4 सेंटेंसेस तो बोलें ताकि कुछ फीडबैक देने के लिए तो हो, राइट? बाकी कुणाल, आपने IIT का बात करी थी कि मैं IIT का पास आउट हूँ और फिर आप एक नया डोमेन लेके, आप बेसिकली उससे क्या पॉइंट रेज करना चाहते थे?
मैम की मैं ये बताना चाह रहा था
कि मैं खुद IIT से हूँ, आपने IIT का एग्जाम्पल दिया था, हाँ, तो आप क्या कहना चाह रहे थे कि डिग्री हेल्प नहीं कर रही?
डिग्री जो है लैगार्ड हो रही है इंडस्ट्री के इसमें।
तो देखो यार, आप अपने आल्मा माटर को क्वेश्चन मत करो, है ना, आप IIT की इज्जत लेके जा रहे हो, उसको सटल वे में प्रेजेंट कर दो। ये मुझे थोड़ा सा ऑफेंड कर गया कि यार इतने प्रीमियम इंस्टीट्यूट में, आई एग्री देयर माइट बी सम गैप्स, but don't directly name. You could have randomly said that, see, there are so many engineering institutes where the curriculum is there, but still don't take the name. Otherwise you are demeaning your own institute. अब कोई एक पैनल में आदर्शवादी हो या कोई IIT का पास आउट प्रोफेसर हो, ऑफेंड हो सकता है ना। सो वो वाला एक आइडिया था। बाकी आपने जो ये बोला था कि एंट्री टिकट है, वो पॉइंट आपने रेज किया था कि एंट्री लेवल पे, दैट वाज अ गुड पॉइंट। इनफैक्ट वही आइडिया है कि डिग्री विल ब्रिंग यू इनटू द सीन एंड इफ यू डेवलप द स्किल्स इट विल कीप यू गोइंग इन द गेम। यही तो असेंस है, यही तो ग्रुप ने निष्कर्ष पे पहुंचे। और फिर उसमें एक ये एलिमेंट और आ गया कि अच्छा डोमेन स्पेसिफिक भी हो सकता है, ठीक है। बाकी आपने जो 6 days वाला पॉइंट लिया था वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा था ग्रुप को। सो हु गॉट द ग्रुप बैक टू द पॉइंट कि भाई हम डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं इस वाले एजेंडा पे।
फिर आपने समराइज
अच्छा हाँ, यू वर ट्राइंग टू डू दैट। हाँ आप दोनों, फिर हर्ष ने कहा भी था कि डोंट गो फॉर एलन मस्क वाला। हाँ राइट, तो वो 6 days वॉज नॉट नीडेड, वो कॉन्टेक्चुअली फिट इन नहीं होता, तो वो डिग्रेस करता ग्रुप को, राइट। पर उस पर फिर क्योंकि समराइज करने के लिए कह दिया तो आप बच गए, आप उस पर और बिल्ड करते तो फिर मार्क्स लूज करते आप। हाँ जी, तो संभव आपने क्या किया था, लॉ और मेडिसिन की बात करी थी, करिकुलम की बात करी थी, राइट। तो अगेन यू आर ट्राइंग टू बी मोर स्पेसिफिक। ये भी चाहिए होता है ग्रुप में कि अच्छा कोई एक स्पेसिफिक पॉइंटर्स पे रेस करते, बट यू कुड हैव टॉक्ड मोर। Did you feel? Because this entire group, everybody, each one of you are good with communication. आप ऐसे कोई hesitate नहीं कर रहे हैं, आपको बोलना आता है। So that's what we were discussing with sir also in the morning, that this particular batch is far more refined and polished than the previous ones. You know how to speak. So the only thing is that if the point has come, just speak it up. राइट, फाइंड योर ओन स्पॉट एंड स्पीक इट। वही आपको सीखना है कि आपको दो के बीच में कैसे अपना पॉइंट बोल के निकल जाना है, ठीक है। तो यू हैव टू स्पीक मोर। तो वो छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स से अगेन 3-4 बार तो बोलो या 3-4 लाइंस तो बोलो, जिससे कोई फीडबैक देने की पोजीशन पे आए। सो आपने एक सॉफ्ट स्किल्स का पॉइंट बोला था, राइट, और एक क्या पॉइंट बोला था? हाँ, कि bring the discussion back. So yes, this gentleman tried bring the discussion back. So we are deviating. So this is again, coordinating the ideas really nicely. So that role you played. बाकी एलन मस्क की बात आपने करी थी, एलन मस्क का रेलेवेंस क्या था डिस्कशन में?
उन्होंने कोट किया था कि लाइक कोर्स वर्क प्रोवाइड, लाइक कोई अगर कोर्स वर्क कंप्लीट कर रहा है देन वो बस एक क्रेडिबिलिटी की तरह, लाइक एक डिग्री।
एलन मस्क की बात आपने डेज के लिए करी थी, आपने कोट के लिए करी थी, क्रेडिबिलिटी के लिए करी थी, ठीक है। बाकी आई कांटेक्ट आप क्या करते हैं, कोशिश तो करते हैं पर फिर बहुत रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर जाते हैं, मे बी वो हैबिट में बिल्ड नहीं हो रहा। यू ट्राइड, सम ऑफ यू ट्राइड कि हाँ थोड़ा सा देख लेते हैं, बट देन फिर जिसने पॉइंट बिल्ड किया या जिस पॉइंट को सपोर्ट कर रहे थे उसी की तरफ देख के आप फिक्सेट हो गए, राइट। डोंट डू दैट। बाकी प्रतीक आपने भी बहुत एंड में बोला था, पर पॉइंट रेलेवेंट था आपका कि डिग्री चाहिए और फिर बाद में स्किल्स चाहिए बूस्ट करने के लिए, जहाँ पे आपने अपने करियर को एसोसिएट किया था, दैट वाज अ गुड पॉइंट, राइट। बट फिर वही जो बोला था वो बिल्ड करके बोला था। अब आप डिफरेंस देखिए, शुभम ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया, राइट, पर डेवलप नहीं किया। तो प्रतीक ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया पॉइंट, फिर उसको थोड़ा इलैबोरेट किया, राइट। तो दैट मेड द कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन तो है, राइट। बाकी हर्ष आपने किसकी बात करी थी? खुद। हाँ, आपने मास्टर यूनियन, मैंने MU लिख दिया, मुझे वो MU से, हाँ, मास्टर यूनियन की बात करी थी। फिर आपने कहा था एडिंग ऑन टू खुश पॉइंट, सो दैट्स अगेन अ गुड थिंग, अगेन इफेक्टिव लिसनिंग स्किल्स। और जब आप बोल रहे थे ये सुन भी रहा था आपको, राइट, सो ही वॉज नॉडिंग। तो जब आप नॉड करते हो ना, इन अ वे यू आर गिविंग कॉन्फिडेंस टू द अदर पर्सन। आप देखते हैं कि कई बार स्पीकर्स थोड़े बोरिंग हो जाते हैं, फिर वो 1-2 जनों को पकड़ लेते हैं जो उनको नॉड करके थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस दे देते हैं, एंड दैट्स हाउ दे कीप गोइंग. सो दैट वाज अ गुड थिंग. सो द ओवरऑल बॉडी लैंग्वेज ऑफ योर्स एंड गिविंग दैट कॉन्फिडेंस टू द अदर पीपल. इनफैक्ट ऐश्वर्या बोल रही थी तभी भी हर्ष बहुत एक्टिव थे. सो दैट्स अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट. वो जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज और आई कॉन्टैक्ट है वो आपने अच्छा किया. जयंत आपको तो अब कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा फीडबैक देने के लिए. आपने क्या पॉइंट रेज किया था कि हाँ मेरे पास मैं वो खुद फ्रीलांस करता हूँ, मेरे से आज तक किसी ने स्किल्स के बारे में नहीं पूछा, डिग्री के बारे में नहीं पूछा, स्किल्स का ही पॉइंट था. उसके बाद और कोई पॉइंट एक जगह आपने और इंटरवीन किया था ना,
करना चाह रहा था
पर वो हुआ नहीं.
मैं वो उसमें करना चाह रहा था. उन्होंने सर्विसेज की बात करी थी ना.
हाँ.
तो उसमें जो बेसिकली ग्राउंड लेवल पर जो सर्विसेज देते हैं उनके पास तो डिग्री होती नहीं है.
राइट. वो ग्राउंड लेवल वाला पॉइंट किसने रेज किया था जो इसमें माइक्रो वाला आपने ही रेज किया था. दैट वाज आल्सो अ न्यू एलिमेंट. बाकी आपने तो कंक्लूड किया ही. सो कंक्लूजन में कोई नया पॉइंट नहीं ऐड किया. दैट इज अ गुड थिंग. सो आपने भी कंक्लूड करने की कोशिश की थी. देयर वर 2 समरीज, यूजुअली एक ही होती है, बट आपने फिर वो 2 की पॉइंटर्स पकड़ लिए. कोशिश करिए कि हाँ
one person should be.
राइट. सो दैट्स द फीडबैक. बाकी सर यू कैन ऐड.
Yeah, most of the things ma'am has already covered. I'll just summarize from my point of view and bring out the new things that I noticed. One is Jayant, do something man. And Shubham, मुझे पता ही नहीं था आपने बोला है. You started and then you disappeared and you were not even able to start properly. So as ma'am said, you need to give a proper start. 12 मिनट का GD था, you were 12 people, that means 1 minute per person. Overall पूरे ग्रुप में there was no need for anyone to cut anyone in between. Despite that, a couple of times 2 people tried to cut Aishwarya. Kudos, she did not stop, she kept on speaking. Kunal, you were cutting multiple times, should not do that. As ma'am said, you should find your place very gently, very nicely. कोई need नहीं, there's no need to make it a fish market. If let's say 12 Kunals are here, the discussion will derail and पूरा panel scrap हो जाता है. Okay. Advaita, nice entries. When you did well. बहुत limited interaction था पर. Prateek could not find clarity. मतलब rather lack of clarity मुझे feel हुई थी जब आपने 1-2 points बोले थे. Entry थी, but that's not the only goal. Harsh, Masters Union, I know you pointed out, but not logically correct. What you're speaking should add value. Someone I think already pointed out कि Masters Union खुद degree देता है. It's still तो ऐसे तो there are some institutes who provide PGPM, and your IMs which you are appearing for right now used to give only PGPM diploma before that. So it's still a certification, not just a skill building course. So you need to be very careful. Also in cases like these, you have to be very careful of the setting of the room. You're appearing for a degree admission. And the people who are saying that degrees are not important, you are dissing the same institute you are sitting in. So either stick to one side or maybe try to strike a balance which is more towards the side. Pura over that side, you're discrediting yourself, your own decision. I'm not saying you can't have that opinion, but you're discrediting yourself. Aishwarya, you were patient enough, had 2 entries. Aishwarya, Kush and number 6, Rahul. 3 guys, well composed. Whenever they spoke with structure, good communication skills. The only thing I feel, Rahul, you should have done better is, frankly, Harendra, if you're choosing to summarize, have a very strong point. दूसरे को आपको कट करने की जरूरत होनी नहीं चाहिए. समरी वैसे हमने कहा एक ही बंदे को देनी चाहिए. You did it well, but I don't know. If you had to, you should have started it. You should have taken the lead to summarize. There was no need to cut, is what I'm saying. दूसरी चीज यहाँ पे कुणाल काफी conflicting points बोले हैं. 2 दिन Elon Musk 2 दिन काम नहीं करता है.
वो सर मेरा कहने का मतलब ये था कि एक कंपनी
I understand what you're saying, irrelevant. He works 7 days, 2 days work in his favor. Even when you're working on the same thing, maybe 2 things will work in your favor. So it's not like you will choose only 2 days to work. That's your choice, but it was not relevant to the discussion. Then you named CodeChef. CodeChef is not from these days. It is there since 2010. It's been 15-16 years, even could be more than that. You then said Telegram. As someone pointed out, there are multiple, there are just very few examples of that sort in a population of 8 billion. Then you said discipline is not needed these days. I would not give you admission in any institute if you make that statement. So, frankly, as many entries you made, I would rather I was marking crosses with each entry that you were making. and rest I think everyone was decent enough. I just called out what stood out to me. And actually मैंने my bad, मैंने start कुछ का ही नोट किया था शुभम, मैंने बाद में काट के सही किया उसे जब मैम ने बोला. I did not even notice that you were there. So वो चीज़ पे focus करो. Rest I think ma'am has already covered in great detail.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Any questions you have for us?
The points that I raised, if I would
Some really sorry, आपका छूट गया था बस. You did say you acknowledged Aishwarya's point without acknowledging her. In a way, you copied what she said without acknowledging.
I exactly didn't remember the name. That's why I said it.
Could have just said you asked you can I say my colleague said. You did not say that.
ये तो आई कांटेक्ट पे से थोड़ा सा हैंड जेस्चर कर दो.
वो थोड़ा ना डिसीविंग जाता है कि किसी और का पॉइंट चुरा के बोल दिया. मे बी आप करना चाह रहे थे पर आपने नहीं किया. एंड आई हैड नोटेड इट डाउन. जिसने एक्नॉलेज किया उसने एक्नॉलेज किया. आखिर में लिखा हुआ है कॉपीड Aishwarya. तो डोंट डू दैट.
Makes sense. Thank you.
Go ahead.
Yes, so the points that I raised, if the discussion would have built upon those points and it would have been included in the conclusion, would that be a fine builder?
Say that again.
Like the points that I raised, as ma'am said, they did not develop further in the discussion.
कौन से
The
पॉइंट
point
थे?
who someone one or two persons raised. ऐसा.
कौन सा
The
पॉइंट
point
बोला
that
था?
I raised.
Okay. that did not
मेडिसिन वो
understand.
करिकुलम.
Yes, ma'am. Curriculum.
हाँ.
वाला point.
नहीं वो बिल्ड तो हुआ था, वही तो बाद में बात कर रहे थे. वो तो 2-3 बार
He
वापस
did not
आए.
initiate that. Someone else.
Aishwarya ने
initiated.
And
And
MBBS.
She said
Yes,
about
point I
see, the thing is, if someone has already said their statement, either you substantiate that with more examples. और वो actually end में summarize भी उसी point से हुआ है. कि you need to figure out the field in which you are talking about. उसके ऊपर
इंक्लूड
degree
किया,
करनी.
आपका नाम लेकर नहीं किया, बट ही इंक्लूडेड दैट पॉइंट बोला उसने.
एंड देखो थोड़ा आपकी प्रेजेंस और थोड़ा लक बेस भी हो जाता है. जैसे पहले तो ऐश्वर्या ने बोला था तो क्रेडिट उसको मिलना ही चाहिए.
Yes.
बट उसको 2 या 3 लोगों ने क्रेडिट दे दिया, आपको नहीं मिला.
Yes.
Somehow.
No issue. Then just wanted to know.
हाँ हाँ. अगर ऐसा भी होता है दैट्स टोटली ओके. आई नोटिस कि 1-2 लोगों ने प्रो स्किल्स शुरू किया था, फिर कोई तो बीच में थोड़ा सा बीच में मिडिल ग्राउंड पे आ गया था. बाकी लोग प्रो स्किल्स ही रहे थे. 1-2 लोग एंड तक. इट्स टोटली ओके अगर आप सब लोग उधर चले जाओ. ऑफ कोर्स ज़्यादा पॉइंट उसे मिलेंगे द पर्सन हु वाज एबल टू स्टीयर यू इनटू दैट डायरेक्शन. बट अगर आप अपने पॉइंट के सब्सटैंशिएट करने के लिए इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू ब्रिंग दोस पॉइंट्स टू सप्लीमेंट योर थॉट, then it's a negative. You can just keep saying something that does not matter. It won't add value. So it's better that you then rather assimilate with the group after a point.
Thank you, sir.
Any other question?
Like you said, we had 60 seconds for a conclusion. And so, if I see that the conclusion is about to end in 20 to 25 seconds, and I believe that I can add some key points to my conclusion, should I still not choose to speak up?
If someone is stopping themselves, you may, but better that you start yourself if you feel you had to summarize.
Yeah, like in this case, we had already started before I could go, and I could see that he's almost about to stop, and we still had around 20-25 seconds. So, like, should I have not?
Ma'am.
देखो आइडियली देयर इज वन पर्सन हु समराइजेस.
Right.
आपको लगता है कि भाई ऐसे देयर वर 10 पॉइंट्स डिस्कस्ड और पहले वाले स्पीकर ने 3-4 ही करें, देन यू कैन पिच इन. पर अगर उसने 7-8 कर दिए तो देयर इज नो नीड टू ऐड अनदर सम.
So, like in this case, I should not have added a conclusion.
No, I feel you should have. He was not able to summarize well.
हाँ, तो यहाँ पर इसलिए आपको वो जो आपको कोई नेगेटिव फीडबैक नहीं दिया ना हमने,
The
राइट?
only
क्योंकि
feedback was you should have started summarizing.
हाँ, मतलब आप अब उसने बोले ही गुंजाइश छोड़ दिया तो यू कैन डू दैट. वो अगर पहला वाला स्पीकर 8 पॉइंट बोल देता है, आप 2 ऐड कर रहे हो, तो दैट डज नॉट कंट्रीब्यूट इफेक्टिवली. ठीक है, डन है.
And there are no points for making multiple entries. आप 2, 3, 4, 6 कितनी बार भी आ जाओ, अगर इफेक्टिव 2 एंट्रीज भी हैं, they are also good enough.
जैसे ऐश्वर्या की 2 थी, जैसे हर्ष की भी लिमिटेड थी. कितनी थी हर्ष आपकी एंट्रीज?
3
1-2 बार तो
and वो एक बार आखिरी में जो सिमिलर थी मैं
हाँ.
first then the conversation was going next, so I joined, like it goes that much.
I was actually going to ask that only. Is it enough? Like,
Yeah,
हाँ,
it's enough.
पर आप 2 ले लो. जैसे पर बोलो तो सही ना, उसमें से थोड़ा बिल्ड तो करो. टाइम तो दो अगले को, 4 पॉइंटर्स मत नोट ही कर रहे, इससे पहले आप खत्म कर गए तो फिर कैसे बात बनेगी?
एंड द डिफरेंस है, फर्स्ट में आपने जो बात बोली वही आपने सेकंड में बोली, बट सेकंड में आपने एग्जांपल्स को और इलैबोरेट किया है. दैट अगेन कैप्टिवेटेड द ऑडियंस, और 2 लोगों को फोर्स किया टू टेक योर नेम एंड टू अलाइन विद योरसेल्फ, राइट? तो दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. जितनी बार, जैसे कुश ने भी जितनी बार किया, कुश ने भी जितनी बार किया, ही वाज एबल टू स्ट्रक्चर इट बेटर. पहले उसने शुभम वाले को स्ट्रक्चर किया, फिर बाद में उसने आपके पॉइंट को भी वैलिडेट किया साथ में. तो ऑल ऑफ दैट इज गुड. 2 एंट्री हुए, उसकी 4 थी, आपकी 2 थी. आई वुड नॉट गिव हिम एनी एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स. नहीं, दैट्स ओके.
बट कुश ने क्या किया ना, इसने कैपिटलाइज किया. आप देख रहे हो ऐसा, ही दैट्स स्मार्ट, दैट्स एक्चुअली स्मार्ट. तो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. आपको अगर नहीं आइडिया आ रहा, आप दूसरे का लेके उसको थोड़ा बिल्ड कर लो, आगे पीछे कहानी बना लो. पर बिल्कुल चुप रहोगे तो फिर कैसे मार्क्स मिलेंगे?
एंड अभिषेक, जैसे आपने भी वो फ्रीलांसर वाली चीज बोली, इफ यू आर अ फ्रीलांसर एंड यू फील दैट्स बेटर, व्हाई यू सिटिंग फॉर एन एमबीए?
So the point was that I was agreeing to her point that field to field depend करता है skills.
अच्छा, it felt like you were saying कि स्किल की वो डिग्री की जरूरत नहीं है.
No, I mentioned that I agree.
अच्छा, ओके ओके.
Sir, एक चीज, just like for example, we are in GD session right now, and let's be honest, you are all here for the MBA degree. So can I mention that point? We are in the GD right now, and this is actually for MBA.
Yeah, go ahead.
वो करा ही नहीं, मैं तो वेट करते रह गई.
The thing is, ma'am, I was about this. I wanted to say this, but I feel that it will become very challenging and
People would have been stumped.
offensive. Offensive.
आप दूसरे को क्या,
Like I would have gone and said that, to be honest, guys, we all are here for a degree, so we can't diss this degree. That's my point. I wanted to say.
हाँ, तो वही जो मैं इनके लिए भी बोल रही थी. आप IIT में पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, प्रीमियम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ द कंट्री, एट सरकार सब्सिडाइज रेट, कितना लेस फीस पे आप पढ़ा रहे हो, फिर आप कहते हो हमारे कॉलेज में तो कोई पढ़ाई नहीं होती. आप समझ रहे हो? ऐसा तो नहीं.
दूसरी डिग्री लेने के लिए आप एडमिशन में बैठे हो,
और वो भी आपको IIM करना है ना, तो वो ऐसा फिर. एनीवेज, आप जहाँ से पढ़ के आए हैं ना, आप इंटरव्यू में भी, इवन इफ यू डू नॉट कम फ्रॉम अ ग्रेट कॉलेज, स्टिल डोंट से दैट माई कॉलेज डिड नॉट टीच मी एनीथिंग और आई डिड नॉट लर्न. राइट? ऐसा कभी नहीं करना, इवन इफ इट इज XYZ एनी कॉलेज, राइट? ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटफुल, लाइक आई ऑलवेज से. तो फिर आप में या तो पोटेंशियल होता, तो आई मीन अगेन नॉट ऑफेंडिंग एनीबडी, वुड हैव बीन एट अ बेटर प्लेस, है ना? सो
यू कांट शो ग्रैटिट्यूड, फेक ग्रैटिट्यूड,
है ना? मैंने आपको कल भी कहा था, विद्या ददाति विनयम. आप जितना ग्राउंडेड रहेंगे, हम्बल रहेंगे, यू विल गेट द पॉइंट्स, राइट? देयर आर पीपल हु कम इन द इंटरव्यूज विद सच ह्यूमिलिटी, इतना वो ऑरा ही उनका इतना पॉजिटिव होता है कि ग्रिल करने का ही मन नहीं करता कि क्या भाई इतना तो प्यारा बच्चा है, क्या पूछे. ऐसा नहीं, ग्रिल सबको किया गया है, बट द आइडिया इज खुश तो आएगा ही नहीं होगा.